Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the sine, cos and tan theta commands in Siemens PLC S7-300 in floating point math section. Let's go to our topic. I will open my SIMATIC Manager software, and in previous videos already I explained about this one ln and exp commands, and now we will use this one sine, cos and tan commands in SIMATIC Manager. So first of all, I will take my one input address, and next we will take this one sine command, and one row we will take it down, and we will take one cos theta, and one more we will take it line down, and we will take it tan theta. Maybe I hope you will be learning three or fourth class in school time. This is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Very interesting. This instruction, this basically look like calculator, but in the PLC programming, in SIMATIC Manager, this is any reliable system. They give us these commands. If you like to make some formulas and you like to take answer quickly, so you can use this commands. An example, I will take this one input address I124.0. This I will scroll down, and here we will take the some data registers to write the some values. For an example, MD30 we will choose, and next we will choose MD40, and next we will choose MD50, and next we will choose MD60, and here we will choose MD70, and here we will choose MD80. And this program we will write to the PLC, and simulation on. And now, as per seen, we will give the signal at I124.0, and now our command is working. And an example, if I write it here for 1, I will write what's the answer in our output. It gives us the answer 0.841471. Now we will clarify this result. This command is working properly or not. So we will go into the Google, and here I have a calculator, and this is the, I will show you, this is the sine calculator. When you write in the Google sine calculator, you can be find this one. So what's value, we will write it here in the 1. For example, I will take this one 1 value. First I will take the sine value. Where is the sine value? This we will take it here. Down. This 1 value, it's okay. 1 value, if I write, first I will choose the sine, and after I will write the 1 value, and after we will see the answer, close the bracket and check this one, and you can see 0.84147 look like is our answer. So also you can see it here, one of the sine theta he shows 0.841471 look like same value. One more example we will check. This for example 2.0, if I will write, what's the answer? 0.90929 value. So we will clarify this value also. We will choose this one sine, and 2.0 value, and close the bracket and check the answer 0.9099297. So same also 0.909297, same answer, means it's our this command is working properly yani. If we like to use or like to make some formulas in the PLC, so we can use this command sine theta. It will be help us. So in the next command, this one cos theta, also we will try an example for here 3.2, for example, if I write in this one, and how much gets answer in the MD60, it's give us the answer minus 0.998295 answer. So let's check with Google. This answer is correct. 3.2 value we have to be right. First we will take this one cos, and we will take 3.2 value and close the bracket and check minus 0.99829 value. You can see it's same like showing minus 0.998295, same value. So same as this one tan theta, also we will check these values. For example here 4.0, if I write to this tan theta, how much answer it gives? It gives us answer 1.15782. So let's clarify. If we write the 4 value, if we write the 4 value in 10, 4 value, it's how much answer giving us, and you can see 1.15782. So 1.15782, same is our answer. Can see this answer is same. So this command is totally work is as look like a calculator, and it's working properly. And if you like to make some formulas in the PLC, this commands will be help you for this conversions. This is you can fast and easy way to conversion the values in tan theta, cos theta, sine theta, ln, exp expansion commands, also secure root, abs. This all values you can very easily use in the PLC, and you can make your program. Hope guys you will like this video, and also you can understand about this one. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.